Hello, my name is Elijah, and here is a basics tutorial on how to use Adobe Audition. So, first thing I'm going to teach you is how to record. So this little dot right here, so first of all, when you open it up, it'll look something like this, and there'll be a thing right here with a little dot, and you press record. And now whatever I say here goes under there. So hello, my name is Elijah, and this is my first Adobe Audition tutorial. Now when you stop, and you play it, record. And now whatever I say here goes under there. So hello, my name is Elijah, and this is my first Adobe Audition tutorial. Alright, but say you don't want any of this first part. You press delete, and it's gone now. And this is my first Adobe Audition tutorial. And well, let's undo that. So Control Z is a simple way to undo for most programs. It goes under there. So hello, so around right here is where we want to delete. For me at least. And so I'll go here, I'll go back, and I'll press delete. So hello, my name is Elijah, and this is my first Adobe Audition tutorial. Alright, sweet. Now, right now on Properties, but to add an effect, you go here, and then you right click here. Wait. No, here. And then there's a bunch of other effects. So you press this triangle, and then a bunch of other effects, but let's say amplify, because I'm not talking loud enough. So you go here, and then you can amplify it. Now, with just a bit of audio, you probably won't even be able to tell it's there. So let's play it again. So hello, my name is Elijah, and this is my first Adobe Audition tutorial. Now obviously you could hear that. That was actually pretty good. But let's say I wanted to but you also shouldn't bring it up too high, because that can mess up the audio. Let me try this again.
So hello, my name is Elijah.
You don't want that. And so let's go back here. Or sorry, right here, edit select effect. Bring it back down to like 10. And now it's louder. So that's how you add an effect. Now if you go down into multi-track, you want to be able to put this into here. So you would go into here. Let me just extend this for you. And then this right here is called test audio. So that is your thing. If you look up here, it says test audio. And so you'll move this on to multi-track, wherever you want. There's a couple of tracks on here, but you can basically change up like which audio is prioritized and stuff. And layer audios and add multiple audios on top of each other for like sound effects and stuff, so it's really cool. How you can move this down, and then yeah, that's to mess with the volume. But let's go here and let's add another clip. Well, no, I just record. You could also record over, by the way. Well, no, I just record. You could. Well, let's undo that, and then press the plus right here, and do new audio file, and then test 2. Testing 1, 2, 3, and then you stop. Testing 1, 2, 3. And let's also add that amplify effect again, because I really liked it. So go here. Let's bring it up a bit. Alright, sweet. 3. Testing. Now that's louder. Let's go back into multi-track. And let's put this here. Testing 1, 2, 3. So hello, my name is Elijah, and this is my first Adobe Audition tutorial. Alright, and that's the basics of Adobe Audition. Some tips are obviously Control Z to undo, and then you can just bring it back. So if you ever make a mistake, you can just undo it. So don't be afraid to make mistakes. And then try new things. There's no reason not to mess around with this. It's a new piece of software for you, probably. And then also, like, try to get better at this, because, like, sometimes with a lot of things in life, like, you might want to stop doing it because, like, you feel like it's too hard, or like that part's too stressful for you. And, like, the best thing you can do is, like, problem solve through stuff. So yeah, those are my tips, and thank you.